Hi there sports fans, I'm Coach Lou, and my friend here is ex-lineman Mark. Coach Lou and I are out in the woods at our cabin today, and we will be listening to the Iron Bowl on the radio. Well, ex-lineman Mark, you will not be listening, since my little radio has only one earplug. But don't worry, I will keep you informed on the game. I certainly hope you will. Coach Lou, who do you think will win the game? I think the Alabama Crimson Tide will get off to a fast start today and give the Auburn Tigers their first loss of the season. Don't you agree? I most certainly do not agree. Coach Lou, remember, the Auburn Tigers have Cam Newton. Ex-lineman Mark, the game has started, Auburn kicked off, and the Alabama Crimson Tide has already scored a touchdown, so they are ahead 7-0. Well, 7 is not too many points for the Camnator to overcome. The Auburn Tigers have gone 3 and out. Ex-lineman Mark, the Auburn Tigers have punted, and the Alabama Crimson Tide has scored another touchdown, 14-0 now. Well, Coach Lou, Cam has been 14 points behind before. Ex-lineman Mark, the Auburn Tigers have gone 3 and out again, and the Alabama Crimson Tide has scored yet another touchdown. My goodness gracious, it is now 21-0. I don't believe Cam Newton has been that far behind this season. Remember, ex-lineman Mark, I predicted a fast start for the Alabama Crimson Tide. I told you the first quarter is over, and the Auburn Tigers have not made a first down, and the Alabama Crimson Tide has scored a touchdown every time they have had the ball. It is like the Little Sisters of the Poor playing the New Orleans Saints. I think you are insulting the Little Sisters. Coach Lou's sister Mary Jane would have at least made one first down in the first quarter. If the game continues at this pace, ex-lineman Mark, the Alabama Crimson Tide will defeat the number 2 Auburn Tigers by the score of 84-0. They have kicked a field goal in the second quarter already, and it is now 24-0. Are you ready to pronounce the Auburn Tigers dead and their undefeated season gone with the wind? Tell you what, Coach Lou, I'm tired of hearing you talk, so I will take a little walk. I will check back with you about the end of the third quarter. Well, here you are. Just like you said, the third quarter is over now, and the game has gotten a little closer. Coach Lou. What is the score? Well, it is now 27-21 in favor of the Alabama Crimson Tide. What, you mean Auburn has outscored them 21-3 while I took a walk? Yeah, I guess so. Cam threw a couple of long touchdown passes and ran one in himself. Coach Lou, do you still think Alabama will win? Absolutely. Ex-lineman Mark, what kind of a machine is Lutsen Kirken? Lutsen Kirken is not a machine. He is an Auburn tight end who caught 2 touchdown passes against Georgia. Why do you ask? Has he caught another touchdown pass today to put Auburn ahead? I will bet he has. You know, ex-lineman Mark, the batteries have suddenly gone dead on my radio. We won't be able to hear any more of the damn Iron Bowl. Where are you going, ex-lineman Mark? First I'm going to the store and buy several rolls of toilet paper, then I'm going to Toomer's Corner, and tomorrow I'll be going down to New Orleans to see the Little Sisters of the Poor upset the Saints. Coach Lou, dead batteries, my eye. You are as big a bag of wind as Eli Gold.